The slow cooker cornbread pudding is not only delicious, but takes so little time to prepare that it will become a regular staple in your meal planning catalog. Any side dish that takes only 5 minutes to prep deserves your attention. You likely already have most of the ingredients you need in your fridge, freezer, and pantry. Throw in a couple of boxes of cornbread mix, and this warm, cheesy, buttery mixture will be ready to go. If you prefer to nix the prepackaged cornbread mix, a homemade cornbread mixture involves nothing more than flour, cornmeal, sugar, baking soda, salt, and vegetable oil. As is the case with so many of the best side dishes, this slow cooker cornbread pudding includes gobs of ooey gooey grated cheese. Cheddar is always a delicious choice, but why not experiment with some Jack or Colby, or a mixture if you're looking to keep the mild flavor that cheddar provides. To experiment with different, more flavorful varieties, give Swiss, Havarti, or Gouda a try. This dish is the perfect, warm, scrumptious accompaniment to any meal and also makes a delicious addition to a brunch or potluck. If you don't have the time to prepare and cook this dish 3 to 4 hours before serving, it can also be baked in the oven while homework is being completed and the main dish is being prepared. Guaranteed, your family will request seconds, and you'll be filing this recipe in the Make Again file.